Okay, mate. AVAX here. So I made a post yesterday saying that it looked like or reminded me of a VAX. No, it's definitely not identical or anything. Let's just go to a 3-day chart just to like the way we drop down and then we base back up. Um, After this did pump, you can see here we actually dropped from here down to the 50% retrace area. Um, this did not do that yet. We only dropped as far as the 38% retrace area, and then we pumped off that level, as you can see right here. It got a bit below it, so it's holding pretty strong. Um, if we continue to break up from here, it's very powerful. Um, let's just go back and look at this. Like, look at this volume here. There's something big happening. Um, there's no reason why this can't have another leg to the upside, in my opinion. So it's up 4% today. We are into the 3-day highs. So I don't think you need to FOMO buy in here now. Now, if you bought yesterday when we talked about it, then all well and good. I don't think you need to FOMO here, but this does look very good for a potential break to the upside. It really does look like it wants to keep going at this point, and it's acting very strong. So you can see here, well, on the weekly chart, as long as we are below the weekly open, which is right here, you can also have a bullish bias. If it closes in around here for the week, then on a new week, you can definitely look to go long on this if we flip green. It looks really good. This massive volume accumulation. So what I really like about this pattern right here is the fact that the large volume and the move up. This inside bar on a 2-week chart. The problem is there's 2 weeks left. Oh, sorry, there's 9 days left on this 2-week candle, which is very frustrating. But we'll say a big but. This is potentially amazing, right? This is potentially amazing. If this can hold and close in and around here in 9 days' time, I think AVAX is going to do this, okay? Now, very much like it did back here. Look at this back here. If AVAX can close with an inside bar candle, doji candle like this, you can see the big pump afterwards on the new 2-week candle. I believe that if it does close like this or similar to this, then we are in for a moonshot and we need to be getting long on a new 2-week candle. Now, it'll be a gift if we can, well, if this can happen. If this can hold on and consolidate for 9 days, we need to be buying this on a new 2-week candle and loading up on this if this flips green on a new 2-week. This is my ideal situation.